Excuse me. How much do you pay for rent here in Manila? House tour?
$2.
No.
Here is like 300 billion just for this.
Oh.
But then I have another villa in the Seychelles.
Oh, Seychelles?
Yeah, I'm French. So.
Oh,
So that's the door.
that's the door?
Yeah.
I like the texture, bro.
Yeah, it's like
How much?
It's like wood of an elephant, Yeah. What? A really tiny bathroom.
It's
So
kind of tiny.
really tiny, so it's really nothing. Like with the view just there, and you can just take a shit. Looking out, like think about your life. Living room, just there. There also. One there. It's really tiny, like it's just for me and my wife, like just.
Who's your wife? She's not here?
No, she's my brother,
Who are they?
I don't know, bro. Like it's like casual. I don't go here like every day. It's not like.
Can you make us through the art?
Art?
What about the art? I
I like
like
here. It's like
very cultural place.
yeah, like this is like so here.
Where's that from?
That's from the country I went last year. You can see Egypt.
Egypt?
Yeah. Yeah, of course. So then there's a really tiny living room just there also with like a bin if you want.
Oh,
Then here, the best place here. Really beautiful view, like
how much do you pay for rent? Do you say?
300 billion.
200 bill?
Yeah, of course.
Damn.
So that's like
What do you do for a living?
like I sell myself. Yeah, and like
Okay, bro.
I can make products also, like So then there is my it's like really tiny TV.
Yeah.
I don't really use it.
Yeah, for the eyes.
Except to rewatch the process to do the product. Come on, bro. So here where you eat. So there is always like food here to eat something.
It's always ready? You have chefs?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah?
They're sleeping, I think, but they finished the work here.
Shit.
There's a confidential. You can go here. It's like private room. So come on.
Okay.
So that's the AC. Oh, bro. What did I say?
Bro.
Okay. So that's the AC.
You
When
need
it's hot.
AC?
Yeah.
Where's that from?
That's from Libya.
Libya?
Yeah.
Okay.
The country with. In first we say Yi. It's like where you sleep, That's not a private room. You can go here, bro.
Is that a
It's like,
room or is that to invite girls over?
yeah, I don't know. It's like my Oompa Loompa, working here. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's
Small?
like I say, really small here.
I see you.
Yeah.
Thank you for the tour, man.
Oh, it's okay, bro.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, every day.